Hey everyone, we're going to be rebuilding this cylinder here, the 4020, right there. 1970 side cancel 4020 diesel, 168 loader on it. We got cylinder leaking here really bad on the bottom seal here. It just starts pouring hydraulic fluid out of here. As you can see, it's a mess, so I'm trying to avoid using it. It's too bad because it's really handy, but I finally got my seal kit in the mail. We're gonna go ahead and overhaul this. Drop the pin out here, drop that pin out, unhook two hoses, pull cylinder off. We're gonna go ahead and pull it apart. We'll show you the pulling apart process. Okay guys, I ain't gonna lie, I really seriously screwed up here. Well, I got the first snap ring out and I started pulling on it. I decided to turn it a little bit with a pipe wrench. Bad idea. I'm not no John Deere mechanic. I'm not a mechanic at all. I just fix and break stuff, obviously. But right here, you gotta drive this guy down. That used to sit way out here, as you've seen in the previous video, or the beginning of the video. And of course, I broke that cast, my mistake. So drive it all the way down. There's that inside snap ring right here. You gotta get out. I tell you, my bad. Don't be me. Okay, so here's my cracked piece. Right there's what I did damage on. I put a pipe wrench on it. So I ground the crack out here. Fortunately, it's just like maybe 3/16 of the circle. I'm gonna fill that in with nickel rod. We're gonna turn it down on the lathe, smooth all this back out, and she should be good. Inside's really good, so as long as I don't distort the inside barrel, we'll be fine. Got a little bit of porosity right there. The tungsten was. Okay, we got that turned down. Now we'll go ahead and replace all the seals after my major screw up. fun. But my first time overhauling a John Deere cylinder. It doesn't leak. It did work. How long it's gonna last, I don't know. I hope it lasts a long time. We shall see. Open to any criticism. I'm not a professional by any means, so don't criticize me there. I'd appreciate it. But anyway, I'm glad to get that done. Show you a little bit more. That buried snap ring in there can trick you if you've never done it. Glad to share it with you. I just wish I didn't break anything, but unfortunately. But I guess a guy could always buy a $400 cylinder. Thanks for watching, guys.